let's talk about the child's pose exercise or a lion's pose exercise for your back pain. This is an amazing way to stretch the entire back muscle and stretch that entire spine without causing a lot of mobility in the back and without causing a lot of strain on your back. If you are someone who are going through acute or a very severe low back pain, this is the exercise that you must try. Okay, for that what you need to do is you need to come on your all four. Okay, and then what you need to do is you need to sit on your heel. Okay, I'm not moving my hand at all. So I was here in my all four. My hands were aligned with the shoulder, my hips were aligned with the knee. And what I was doing is I was sitting down on my heel. Now what I will do is I'll stretch my hand forward without losing the contact with my bottom and heel. I will stretch forward and I will bend my neck down. Amazing. Now I will take 3 deep breaths over here. And then I will slide back to come here, and then I will come back on my all four position, and then I'll sit up. Amazing exercise to stretch those back muscles who occasionally or often go into spasm, and it's the great way to relax them by doing the breathing in that stretching position. Must try. Let me know in the comment how did you felt about it.